Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did, but now I'm so hungry. What's for breakfast?
Good morning, Emily. What do you feel like eating?
Hmm, I don't know. What are you having, Dad?
I'm going to make scrambled eggs with toast. I'll also have a cup of black coffee.
Oh, I don't like coffee. It smells so strong.
It's okay, Emily. Coffee is for adults. I'm having yogurt with honey and some fresh strawberries. And I'll have a cup of chamomile tea.
That sounds sweet. Can I have some strawberries too?
Of course. You can have a few. What else do you want?
Can I have pancakes? With syrup and butter?
Pancakes sound good, but do you want something to drink with that? Milk? Juice?
Orange juice, please. A big glass.
All right. So let me see if I have this right. Dad will have scrambled eggs, toast, and coffee. I'll have yogurt, honey, strawberries, and chamomile tea. Emily, you'll have pancakes with syrup, butter, and orange juice.
Yes, and maybe a little piece of your strawberry?
Yes, of course.
Let's get started then. Emily, can you help me mix the pancake batter?
While you two are making pancakes, I'll cut the strawberries and get the yogurt ready.
A few minutes later,
Can I have some whipped cream on my pancakes too?
Whipped cream? All right, but just a little. We don't want too much sugar.
Yay! This is the best breakfast ever.
It's always nice when we have breakfast together.
Yes, it is. Let's sit down and enjoy it.
I can't wait.
Hey everyone. Is it just me or is anyone else really hungry?
I was just thinking the same thing. It's already noon. Where should we go for lunch?
I don't know. There's a new food truck near the office. I heard they have tacos and burritos.
Oh, that sounds interesting, but I brought my lunch today. I'm planning to eat in the break room.
I didn't bring anything. I might just go to the food court in the mall. There are so many options there. Pizza, burgers, sushi, you name it.
Fast food again, Carl. Aren't you trying to eat healthier?
Oh, right. I completely forgot. Okay, maybe not burgers. Do you have a better suggestion?
How about one of those quick casual restaurants? They have salads, grilled chicken, and rice bowls. It's healthier and still fast.
Those places are nice, but don't forget, we're short on time. We only have 30 minutes for lunch today.
Good point. Should we just eat in the work cafeteria then? It's close, and we won't waste time traveling.
Yeah, that works for me. The cafeteria actually has a lot of options.
All right, cafeteria it is. But now we need to decide what to eat there.
True. Let's see. They have hot meals like pasta, grilled chicken, or rice bowls.
And sandwiches or wraps if you want something lighter.
Don't forget the salads. They always have fresh ones with lots of toppings.
Soups, too. Sometimes they have tomato, chicken noodle, or vegetable.
Oh, and snacks or light options like fruit, yogurt, or granola bars.
Great. But what about drinks?
Good point. There's soda, iced tea, and juice, natural or bottled.
Don't forget flavored water or energy drinks.
Wow, so many choices. I think I'll go for a hot meal with tea.
I'll have a salad and maybe flavored water.
I'll stick with my packed lunch and grab a coffee to go with it.
Perfect. Let's head down before the cafeteria gets too crowded.
Wait! We still need to decide what we're going to have for dessert.
Hey, do you want to decide now where we're eating? What do you think? Should we cook at home, order takeout, or go to a casual place?
I'm too tired to cook tonight. I don't feel like staying at home either. Let's eat at a casual place.
Let's go. Okay, let's decide. Do you want to share an appetizer?
Yes, sharing sounds good. How about mozzarella sticks or loaded nachos?
Let's go with the mozzarella sticks. They're always good.
Agreed. Now, for the main course, I think I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables.
That sounds healthy. I'll have the steak with mashed potatoes and a side of steamed broccoli.
Nice choice. What about drinks? I'll have a glass of red wine.
I'll take a beer.
Good. This meal is going to be delicious.
So, do you want to decide on dessert now or wait?
Let's decide now. I'm craving something sweet, and I know I'll want dessert after dinner.
All right, what do you want? Cheesecake, chocolate lava cake, or maybe ice cream?
Chocolate lava cake for sure. What about you?
I'll get the same. You can't go wrong with chocolate.
Definitely not. I think we've made some great choices.
Me too. Let's order dinner.